Hello and welcome to My Finance Teacher on YouTube. Today I would like to have a look at what the future holds for gold price in the short term as well as in intermediate term. Let's get to it. Today is 11th of January 2017, and since the end of last year, since the second half of December last year, we have seen a pretty nice run up in gold price. Here in front of you is the chart of gold price. This is a daily chart. So each of these ticks represents one day. The blue line of the chart is the 10-day moving average, and the red line of the chart is the 50-day moving average. What do we see on the chart? We see that the price is currently stretched a little too much over the 10-day moving average. It's not too high, but it is rather stretched a little too much over the 10-day moving average. That's one thing I would like to notice on the graph. Another thing I would like to notice on the graph is we're approaching the 50-day moving average from the bottom, from below. And this 50-day moving average might prove to be some sort of a resistance level, and the price might struggle breaking through that resistance level. Another thing I want to point out is the RSI here. Although RSI doesn't indicate overbought levels yet, anything above 70 of course is overbought. We are at 67 now, and we are getting close to overbought levels. Once we are at overbought levels, of course, there might be a tendency for gold price to go down. So we're not stretched too far yet. The price is not really overheating, but it's getting close to it. So for the very short term, my expectation is for the price to continue going up. However, that's going to happen for, I guess, another week or so, not much longer than that. Once we're in the low 1200s range for the price might cool off a little bit. We might experience a correction down. However, I don't expect this correction to last for long. So now, looking at what we can expect in the intermediate term, let's have a look at the weekly chart of gold. What do we see here? A completely different picture. The price has only now approached the 10-week moving average, the blue line from the bottom, and the 50-week moving average, the red line, is much higher compared to current price levels. The RSI level on the weekly chart has not even reached a level of 50, the neutral level, which means there is still a great potential for both the indicator to move towards the higher levels as well as for the price to keep increasing. So even though next week might be a week without much happening, the week after that might be a red candle, I do expect the gold price to continue increasing in the intermediate term for another 2 or 3 months, I guess, into April or so. I hope that has been interesting for you. This is only an opinion of what is going to happen to gold price in short term as well as intermediate term. This is not an investment advice, and good luck.